These in no way are sponsored. I just love them and I found them on great discounts. So I just want you to know about them as well. And all the products will be linked in the description below as well. Now all of these products are like in mixture. I haven't categorized it because I was just going through the app and then taking screenshots of whatever felt like good to me. So first one is the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. I usually do like it. It is amazing for like setting your face and also priming your face. You get a good 20% discount on it. Next you have the MAC Studio Radiance foundation. This is so similar to the Rare Beauty one. If you want to invest in a good dewy foundation, you get it for 25% off at 2,900 rupees, which I feel like is a good deal for a MAC foundation as they are of really high quality. Then we have the Retro Matte Lipstick. Now if you want a matte lipstick, a classic MAC lipstick, then you get this for 20% off at 1840 rupees. Otherwise I feel like if you don't want to invest into so much rupee, into a MAC lipstick, definitely you can skip this. Then we have the Laneige Slipping Mask. I have finished like many tubs of these and it is on a good sale of 15% off. I definitely feel like if you want to try out Laneige, you can definitely buy this, or if you just want to restock it. Next we have the Laneige Cream Skin Refining Toner. This is a milky toner. Now you get this for 15% off. I got this for 900 rupees without any sale. I will tell you it is a really good product, but thoda kam choti size mein aata hai. If you want, you can definitely try it out. It is amazing for dry skin, I would say. Then we have the K Beauty Liquid Concealer. Aankh band karke le lo, trust me. Usually that is not on a sale. This is for 30% off. I am in the shade 125i. I cannot live without this concealer. I literally have it over here in my vanity right now. I'm telling you, this is literally the best concealer I have ever used. Next up we have the Plum Vitamin C Serum. Now this one is for 24% off. You get it for 600 rupees. I feel like it is a fair deal. It is a really good vitamin C serum. It is going to transform your skin, trust me. But again, it is a 15% vitamin C. So आपको अगर आदत नहीं है vitamin C की, then do not go ahead and purchase this. Then we have the Plum Vanilla Vibes Body Mist. You get it for 400 rupees. It is an amazing body mist if you love like sweet scents. It is also similar to the Kayali perfume, which is available if you want something sweet and vanilla-y, like smelling like a cake. This is the one for you. Then we have the Plum Body Lovin' Vanilla Caramello perfume. Now this is for 629 rupees. I have the Smokin' Vanilla one, which is again my absolute favorite. Trust me, if you want a good perfume in a affordable range, this is the one for you. Then we have the Dot & Key Vitamin and Hyaluronic Sunscreen. I have finished this one in my house. This is for 334 rupees. A very affordable sunscreen, perfect for dry skin, the pink one especially. I absolutely love it. Again, I would highly recommend. Then we have the Cosrx Snail Mucin. If you have not tried Snail Mucin, or if you have loved Snail Mucin, your skin reacts well to Snail Mucin, you get it on a 20% off for 1160 rupees. I also feel like this is usually never really in sale, or ye time pe wo sale pe aaya. Same with the Cosrx Snail Advanced Snail Mucin Cream. This is for 1320 rupees. And again, if you love Korean skincare, if you go into Korean skincare, definitely you can go ahead and try it out. Then we have the AHA BHA Clarifying Toner. This is something which I am thinking to purchase, because if you want to start with your active journey, if you don't want too much, then this is the perfect product for you. You get it for 872 rupees. I feel like the bottle is also 150 ml. बहुत ही अच्छा range है. So definitely you can try it out. Then we have the Fenty Beauty Longwear Foundation. ये पहली बार Fenty I think is doing any sale or discount right now on Nykaa, so you get it for 10% off, which is 3,600 rupees. Very hefty price, but if you have been eyeing this product for a while, I know I have been, then you can definitely go ahead and purchase this. Now this shade range is a bit complex, but you have to go ahead and find it out some way or the other. Then we have the Fenty Beauty Universal Lip Luminous. This has been so famous on Instagram lately. This is for 1845. I feel like it is a decent amount for if you are a lip gloss person, if you just want it, and if you want to hop on the trend and try out viral products, then definitely you can try it out. Similarly, we have the Fenty Contour Stick. You get at 10% discount. I've heard so many things about it. If you're a hardcore contour person, you will love. Then we have the Fenty Hydrating Longwear Concealer. I've heard so many things about it. Again, at a 10% discount. I feel like Fenty, जिस किसी को भी चाहिए, please ये time ले लेना, because you're not going to get it on a discount. I'm thinking to buy this one. Is the Fenty Pro Filter Matte Mini Foundation. Now you get it for 1600 rupees. If you don't want to commit to a full size, I feel like this is a great opportunity. But they have half of the shades. I think the foundation has many, 20 and this has only 37. So definitely you can check it out, but I am thinking to definitely purchase this and try it out. Next we have the Vaseline Light Hydrate Body Lotion. Now I have loved this and I'm obsessing over it. It is on my bed stand. You get it for 40% off और ये बहुत ही बड़ा bottle आता है. So if you have extremely dry skin, if you want a very lightweight body lotion, this is the one. Then we have Charlotte Tilbury. Again Charlotte Tilbury कभी भी off पे नहीं रहता है, sale पे only during November and this time. So you get it at a 25% off at 3,600 rupees. Definitely if it is on your wish list, try it out. This is something which is on my wish list. Is the Flawless Airbrush Flawless refillable powder. This for 3,500 rupees, again at a 25% discount. If you have been eyeing this, if you are a makeup artist, this is a great time to restock on it. Then we have the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Again I have it, I've been using this for like my events, like special events, और मैंने बहुत ही कम use किया. Again I did not buy it, I think I did not buy it on sale, but it is on for 2,775 rupees, which is an amazing deal. Then we have the Red Can Damage Hair Combo. I love this for my treated hair, color treated hair. You get it at a 20% off. If you have very damaged or severely damaged hair, you can definitely check out this. Now the Hot Pink sale offer is for 5,000 rupees. You get the entire combo. Then we have the Halo Tinted Glow. If you want a everyday good quality tinted foundation, then this is definitely the one for you. This is at 20% off, and I definitely feel like it is like a foundation which will not like even feel on your skin. Then we have the Voluminous Panorama Mascara. This is for 649. Again I don't think मैंने ये हमेशा कभी सेल पे देखा है. This is at 35% off at 649 rupees if you want that mascara, but it is waterproof, so keep that in mind. ये निकलेगा नहीं. But yeah, then we have the Maybelline New York Lifter Gloss. Very hype product. If you want to try out a gloss and something which will not break your bank, you will get this for 500 rupees at 37% off. Then we have the Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Essence Water. I see this getting out of stock so many times, but currently it is on 10% off for 1395 rupees. Now this is so amazing. I definitely want this. I have this in my cart right now. Again, I've heard too many things about the Beauty of Joseon SPF, which is again at 10% off, और ये हमेशा out of stock जाता है. So if you have been eyeing it, completely go ahead and buy it, and it is at 10% off. Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I use this every single day to remove my makeup. It is at 20% off. I'm telling you, if you want a good makeup cleansing balm, trust me, you need this. It literally removes even waterproof makeup so effortlessly. Then we have the Tony Moly Mochi Toner. I have seen this on internet so many times. This is on a 30% off. Trust me, you need this. I think I saw this today also and I screenshotted this yesterday. ये एक और I think और कम हो गया है इसका price. Definitely it is a very huge bottle. Okay, it is 500 ml. If you want that, trust me, just go ahead and grab it, because I know it's gonna go out of stock very soon. Then we have this Thank You Farmer sunscreen. I have used this and I have loved it. It is a very expensive sunscreen. If you want a good quality sunscreen, this is usually never in sale. 2000 के ऊपर रहता है, but currently it is on for 1700 rupees. If you want to invest into a good quality sunscreen, this is the one for you. Then we have the Olaplex Bond Repair. I have used this multiple times and you get a 20% off on Olaplex. This is for 1360 rupees. Next up we have the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I think I have like 3 or 4 bottles of this in my vanity over here. So again, आँख बंद करके ले लो. And I think e.l.f. is also having a buy one get one free, so you can buy this or something else as well, plus you get a 10% off. Similarly, the Power Grip Primer is in my wish list. I'm thinking to buy it this time. This is for 1170 rupees. And same, we have the Etude House Fixing Glow Tint for 855 rupees. Now again, if you are a lip tint person, definitely go ahead and buy it. These tints are really nice, like very mild on your skin, you know. It does not feel like too much. Then we have the Bond Repair from Minimalist. I've heard again many things about it. It is on a discount for 10% off. Then we have our favorite Bath and Body Works. I have so many of these. If you want a good deal on fragrances and body mist, Bath and Body Works is having a 50% to 60% off, and you can get and try try out these mitts. These are really good. I think I've talked about this halo. Next we have the Foxtail Gentle Cleanser. I have one in my studio over here. It is such a good cleanser, a gentle cleanser. You get this at a 34% off, which I feel like is an amazing deal. Then we have the Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. I have used this every single week, and trust me, my skin feels so much better with this. This is at a 29% off, worth the 300 rupees. Itna bada tub aata hai uska, and trust me, I'm telling you, you need to buy that. If you want fresh smelling underarms, again very nice roll on, 291 rupees it is at a 27% off. If you are under budget, trust me, you need this. You do not need to buy any high end underarm roll-ons or anything, just buy this. Then we have the Wishcare Hair Growth Serum. I am obsessed and I use this very often and every single day. This is for 599 rupees at 40% off. Then we have the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. I have this in my vanity, literally in front of me over here. It is at 20% off. I don't think Too Faced also does discounts most of the time. So again, trust me, aankh band karke le lo. One of the best concealers you will ever find in the market. You will literally thank me later. Then we have Wow. Then we have Hyphen. We have their Peptide Lip Balm. This is for 10% off for 300 rupees. Again, I've heard too many things about it, so I'm adding it over here. Then we have the Naughty palette. I have bought the Naughty palette in these sales as well. Naughty, Grunge palette, all Rose Quartz, all of them I've bought. So again, you get it for 40% off. This is a great time if you want to invest into a good quality eyeshadow palette. Then we have the Huda Beauty Power Matte lipsticks. We have it for 50% off. Again, if you want to try out a Huda Beauty lipstick, this is the time to buy it. Then we have the Easy Bake Loose Powder, 30% off. Again, if you want to try Huda Beauty, the good quality powders, this is the time. Then we have the Too Faced Cloud Crush Blush. Again, we have it for 20% off. I've never seen this on a discount any other time. Then we have the Born This Way Nudes Eyeshadow Palette. This is on 20% off. Again, never really saw this on discount many of the time. Then we have the Benefit Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. This is what I'm wearing right now. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is at the 30% off. It is a really good deal if you want like lengthening lashes. This is the one for you. Then we have the Anomaly shampoo. They have a buy one get one free. I have used this special variant, the clarifying shampoo. Finished it, almost very few is left. So definitely it is a good product. If you love products from Anomaly, I think this is the best time to stock upon it. Then we have the Victoria's Secret Fragrance Mist. If you want any body mist, Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works both have a 50 to 60% off. You get this for 999 rupees. Then we have the Nykaa Skin RX Vitamin C Serum. I'm using this in my nighttime skincare routine currently, and it is at a 50% off. Trust me, it is one of the best vitamin C serums that I've tried. Then we have the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I have it literally over here in my vanity, and you need it. Your makeup will not move. It will literally set your makeup like nothing else. It is at a 15% off. We have the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Foundation. This is at a 30% off. One of the best foundations in full coverage category that I've seen, and it is for 1260. I have the Pixi Glow On Blush. Now I don't like this particularly, but I know that a lot of people do like it. That's why I'm talking about it, and it is for 25% off. Then we have the Pixi Glow Toner. I absolutely love this. Now this is at a 15% off. Again, I've not seen this go into sale many times, so that you get it for 1300 rupees. Then we have Simply Naps Hydrating Lip Butter. Oh my god, I use this and wear this almost every single day in the shade Isha. ये हमेशा out of stock होता है. Just go ahead and buy it. They have 15% off. Again, it is usually not on sale most of the time. Then we have Indie Wild Champion Hair Oil. I haven't tried it, but I've seen a lot of people loving it. And today it is at 15% off at 800 rupees. Then we have the Nykaa pH Gloss. Again, I love it. If you don't want to wear a liquid lipstick or a cream lipstick, just a tint, this is the one for you. It is so freaking good at 20% off. Then we have the Dove Exfoliating Body Scrub. This is at 35% off. I love this. I think I finished like 2 or 3 bottles, tubs of this. This is so freaking good. I'm gonna restock it this time. Then we have Colourpop Super Shock Shadows. You have buy one get one free. These are not any on discount, but you get a buy one get one. If you want to try the blushes or eyeshadows, this is the time. Then we have the Love Beauty and Planet Curry Leaves and Biotin Sulfate Free Shampoo. You get for 30% off. My hair becomes so soft after using the Love Beauty and Planet shampoo, conditioner, whatever that is. So yeah. Then we have Prosh Beauty. Again, I've talked about this in my previous videos. I love this. It is on a 25% off. Again, I don't think I usually see this on a discount, so now is the time to buy it. Then we have the Prosh sponge. This is the softest sponge that I've seen. You get it for 25% off at 413 rupees. Then we have the Tipsy Beauty Shape Shifter Lip and Cheek Oil. I love this. I use this. It is in my vanity. You get it for 15% off. Again, मैंने ज़्यादा सेल पे नहीं देखा है इसको. So if you are eyeing it, you need it. Then we have the Tipsy Cushion Blush. Very good. Oh my god, this is one of my favorite blushes. Love it. 20% off, you need it. Then we have the Face Shop Makeup Remover Cleansing Oil. This is at a 25% off, one of the best products from Face Shop. Literally will remove all of your makeup irrespectively. Trust me, if you want a good cleanser, oil based cleanser, this is the one. Then we have the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder, which I talked about, which is at 25% off. And wow, those were the 70 products I want to recommend you on the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. All the links are in the description. Please go ahead and check it out. Do not forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel and watch these videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.